This is how it looks like if you come home after 2 weeks. And there are some parcels for the Airstream. And it's still here. Today I finished the stairs and now I can start with the renovation of the Airstream. Follow me. And our first step is to clean it inside. Alina is helping me, and then we start with the renovation of the windows with this one here, and all to give away the rust of these things here, because as you can see everything is full of rust. And we will clean it, paint it and give a new ceiling. So it's a lot of work, but this is the beginning. My first step at the window renovation is to give away the ceiling, the rubber ceiling. This is day 2 of the window renovation in the Airstream. And yesterday I started, and today I know which tools work best. And yesterday I started with this tool. Now I take the fine multi-master because it's going much faster. Yes, it's perfect. Okay, now I will show you the window which I did yesterday. Here you can see, now it's working, and even this plastic parts I have replaced, and it's working fine. Today it's day 3 of the window renovation, and I just put away this insect protection here, and look what I have found. I think it's a small gecko who died here inside. Poor guy. Yeah, and it's going on and on and on. It's my 3rd day now. It's evening, and I just have finished here the tube ceiling of the window. I also gave away the second glass here because it was a plexiglass, because I think it's not good to clean it. It's no possibility. And here there are 2 normal glasses, but I want to give away one of this one too. Yeah, today I will remove the front windows, and because they have double windows, and inside it's not looking very nice because it's mold and humidity, and so I decided to give it out, and I bought a Dremel. With the Dremel I will cut the window and then I will remove it. I think it's the most easy method to have this result, because otherwise I have to give it out totally. I have to open all the rivets and I don't want to do it. So it's the fastest way, I hope so, and we will see if it's working or not. Okay, this is definitely plastic. It has been removed before. No, it's not plastic.
It's definitely plastic. Haha. It's a shot.
But it's okay. Okay, now the second one. The first was working, so we will see if the second one shows that it's the same reaction. It's fiery. Now the real work will start because we have to remove all this glass now. Now I had to protect because the problem is that the glass, if I pull it out, I have it on my arms. The really little things of the glass, if you go onto your skin, you have some scratches and you start bleeding. And so I said, okay, I will protect them. Even if it has 40 degrees here Celsius inside, it's very hot, but it's better. Okay, let's do it. With this tool, I will open it now a little bit, going in between. Yeah, and some minutes later you can see it's working good with this tool, and I have to clean the rest here out, and then we have the second one. Yesterday I finished the windows, so it's really looking nice, and today I started with giving away the first panel of the wall. Some years ago there lived some mice inside. Endless drilling. Today I will start to remove the insulation, so I have to wear a pyjama or a full body clothes to protect me against this poisonous insulation, which is over 40 years old.
In the next episode, it's getting even worse. I will give away all the insulation. Hard work, so see you next time.
Not a fun work.
Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream renovation adventure during the next month, and see you soon here again on Pinkrambutan.com.